Folding phones are getting so close to the mainstream with the Galaxy Z Flip4, the compact size and lower prices of its predecessor. The Z Flip3 dominated the foldable market in the year since its launch, with faster charging, stronger glass, and some stunning color choices. The Galaxy Z Flip4 aims to pick up the baton and reach new heights. Before you go to conflating flip phones of today with their unbreakable double O's and sisters, you still absolutely, positively need a good case for your Flip4. One bad drop is all it takes to turn that $1,000 masterpiece into misery. But these Galaxy Z Flip4 cases add grip, drop protection, and style to elevate one of the best Android phones you can buy today. VRS design is best known for its ruggedly handsome wallet cases, but the durability alone makes the QuickStand series worth your time and money. The hinge cover here isn't as durable as its beefier TerraGuard cousin, but it will still sit flat on a table and it still has a nice sturdy kickstand sitting inside it. The hinge cover here is closer to the Spigen end of the spectrum rather than the thinner UAG or OtterBox side. And trust me, I know how weird that sounds, but it's true. While kickstand cases might not seem as big of a draw when you can just set a phone down in flex mode, this kickstand allows you to prop your phone up at more angles. It can also let you clearly see both sides in the screen in the flex mode at a distance rather than the lower half being flat on the table and harder to glance at. Like the Spigen Touch Armor, this case's only real flaw in that it only comes in black, but hopes springs eternal for VRS to veer into some actual colors down the road.